Here's a look at our SIFT data discovery tool. As you can see, we're based in Excel. And what we've done is set up a series of templates across the bottom here that are smart templates. So our business users really don't have to think about it too much. They can come to any one of these templates, navigate through our cover page here into the type of analysis they'd like to do, and then the tool has been built out for them. And they'll have a query builder toolbar across the top. So let's go do this on a trending report. Let's go to the by month report, and let's just see what a business user would come in and do is run their analysis. So they can choose the default query that has been set up for them and just run it, and it will connect back up to our data store and run that for them. And then we let Excel do what Excel's good at. So I can double click to sort. I can do some conditional formatting. I can do a little bit more conditional formatting. I can highlight a few of these against each other and chart them. And we just use the Excel charting engine and try to keep it really comfortable for those, those mid-tier corporate users to come in and do this type of analysis and feel very comfortable to ask questions. So we have 16 million in sales, and the power of the tool now is I still want to see it by month, but instead of by my product line, I may want to come in and run it by region. I'm still going to see the same 16 million in sales, but this time it's by region. And this report by up here allows them to make these choices or even build their own, but let's say this time I want to go by region and state. And you can see we have little arrows here that also denote to them that they can drill to the next tier. So if I want to go to the next tier in the hierarchy for Wisconsin, I just double click on it and it takes me to the cities within Wisconsin. So I have 394,000 in sales. If I want to see Milwaukee and I just want to see all of their sales, I double click on the numbers themselves and it will take me from the by month page to the detail page and return me every transaction. When I want to go back, I just hit the back button and I'm back here. Other things that we've set up for them is the ability to have favorite reports. So if they just want to select a favorite report that's already been set up for them, they can come in and run it. But even after they've run a favorite report, they can go in and ask additional questions of it. So they could say, you know what, I really only wanted to see that for the Southeast region, and refresh that data set, and it will limit it down to the Southeast region. The rest of the tabs are set up exactly the same way. It just depends on what type of analysis you want to do. So by week, by day, by weekday, and all the way down even into by hour. On a metrics page, this would be where I'd run my KPIs. So I would have a point in time, in this case week 44, but I could make it a month if I wanted to, a month of September, refresh that data set, and I'm looking at product line and all of my KPIs associated with that. And again, double click to sort to go to the next tier of the hierarchy, double click on this side if you want to drill down into the lowest level detail. If I like this report, I can email it out right from here. A lot of use is around copy out. They use these in additional presentations, so they'll just hit a copy out and get it out of the tool and into another Excel workbook. And they can schedule these to be sent on a recurring basis, so no IT involvement needed. I can set up all of the different favorites I would like and have them in one workbook sent to this list of people on a recurring basis. And that's a quick look at the core functions of this SIFT data discovery tool.